Good evening and welcome back to another video. If you weren't here last time, this is part 2. It's part 2 of the seatbelt install. We are swapping the silver seatbelts for some black ones. Black ones are out of a 172, so it is a straight swap. I am swapping the silver ones because I don't like them. They're getting grubby. I've got to clean them all the time and they keep getting grubby. So we are swapping them. But that is it really. But yes, we're going to get to it. All we've got to do is the back 2 now, or back 3 should we say. Get those done. Got to get the plastics off of this back corner as well, which I'll explain to you guys now also. But yes, this is part 2 and we'll get straight to it. Cool, so back inside the Place of Dreams. As of last video, I took that one out and this one out, both little sort of Torx head screws. One more to go now that it's been revealed from behind the sort of driver's passenger speaker bit. We've just got one more to take out, and then I'm pretty sure on that side I just pulled from here and it all sort of came out. So I just need to take this one out quickly and then we're going to pull. The seatbelt's a little bit fiddly to get through this, but there's a little plastic cover that you pop off first of all, and then everything is just about the right size to squeeze through, hopefully. Anyway, I can't remember if you pulled these rubbers off, but I think I just lifted it up. Oh my god, what am I going to break? That's on a little plastic popper again, I remember. I just get a flathead. I don't really know the best way to get these poppers off, if I can show you one. Here. It looks like you just sort of pull it, but it seems to sort of break itself as it comes out. But this is all that's holding it in at the top, which you probably should have done before pulling it off and letting it hang around like that. But and obviously for the camera, this one's not going to come out. Crop that out, Jordan. Where did that go? Oh no! Oh, blooming heck! Oh! Lost it. Right, so now that should all fall out. Then you got this little piece here on the back. Some sort of push clips, and then you just squeeze them in, pop it out, and then when that one's off, you get a slightly bigger hole, which we all love. Aaron, sure we all bring that up, and then it threads all the way through easily. And that's that one off, which can also go into the big pile of plastics on the front of my car currently. Simple enough. I've just swapped over the little bracket. It's got pretty much just split at one end, post it on your new belts, and I'm just going to undo this now. I think it's the T40 again, and just literally swap it with the black set. But yeah, you don't need to see that. I'm going to do both sides of them because they're both exactly the same, and then we'll come on to the central rear passenger seatbelt, and then we'll do that one. But I'm pretty sure that's just as easy as well. So luckily it's all nice and easy, and then we get to put all the plastics back. Right, so the first thing I'm going to attack on this third rear passenger seatbelt, the central one, is that one there. From what I remember Aaron saying in the comment, it should all just fall out and be easy enough, but we'll find out how easy it'll be. But similar to the front, it's got a funny little like a metal hook that goes around, and it was really quite loose actually, which is surprising. Come loose and let it out. Easy, 2 240s and it all slips out. Cool, so same process, put it all back the way you go. Then release. Perfect. Straight out. It seems to be the other way around to mine, so I'm just going to twist the belt if I can, and turn it around the way that mine was, which means the belt also needs to go around the other way. That's a bit annoying. So hopefully they are now the same as mine. Now I've lost the bolt. Oh, don't worry, I found it. Could have just not lost it. So it goes through this little funny roof clamp thing. And in. Alright, so that is everything. We're back. After a bit of fiddling with this one, he's all good. So these ones with the plastic strip and everything will all thread back through. Everything's tight, everything's ready to go back. As a few people said in the last video, it is a little bit of a ball ache, but at the end of the day, I'm going to be a lot happier with black belts, not having to clean. But I saw someone commented about silver belts. Can't remember who did it, but I don't envy you. Keep your black ones if you've got black ones. Honestly, it's better. Don't do silver. Sorry, Aaron. Oh, also coming to that as well. Aaron did mention, oh god, too much going on in here, about the little wire. Just to show you, mate, it's back on top of the hook. And we're all good, so I made sure the wire was on top just to, you know, help our OCDs that it's going to be all good and not going to rub or break or anything. So now for me, it's just to put all the plastics back. Right. Oh, it's like being born again. Oh, Clio's aren't made to. Oh, my legs. Perfect. So it's the last time you're going to see me crouched up in the back of there for a while. It does need a good clean now, actually, to be fair, after me getting in and out multiple times. But we got black seat belts. Woo. Oh yeah, party. So well happy with that. Too cramped up for too long. Perfect. So that's that. Hopefully this has been educational to everyone. There's a few things I messed up on actually that I wanted to explain. Obviously I put all the seat backs back together, but the front two, if you're doing this, don't put the bottom part of the seat belt for the driver's seat that pushes in and then goes around and you bolt it in. The plastics that the speakers go on, pretty much you got to undo that bolt again and post it back through. And same up here. I didn't post it back through the plastics before, so I had to undo the bolt back up here again and then post it all through there and then bolt it back up again. So a few rookie errors, let's say. So things coming up. Obviously Christmas. Merry Christmas everyone. Hope you have a good time. Hope I can get a few more videos out before then, because I'm going to get some time off work soon. Plans for the new year, I want to get the manifolds done. I've seen loads of people getting them. Aaron especially, yours are very pretty. I would like mine to be very pretty now, hopefully. So that's the plan for me in the new year, is to send the upper and lower inlet manifold off. Hopefully Aaron is also going to put his back on and send me messages about how to do it, how to check the engine up correctly and stuff like that, because I want to put it back obviously as good as I can. So hopefully I'll get a bit more information on that. I've looked it up a little bit, but it's easier to hopefully get pictures and stuff like that from Aaron, which would be decent. Other than that, not too much. I still need to sort out the little leaks, so I'm going to be I'm going to put the footage on there of me filling over the holes on the back here. Maybe going to be putting some more stuff down with the rear lights just to see if that's going to help it out. But if not, I don't really know what to do. These rear lights, I'm not sure how keen I am on them anymore, so I may be selling the FK rear lights and putting the standard ones back on, which are down there. Front lights, I did have two I did have two new, freshly cleaned up front lights that I was going to be putting in, but the whole inside of the driver's side one was moving all over the shop, so I had to take it back in the end, and I just got a refund for it. So we're putting up with the rubbish headlights for a little bit longer. Still need a wing for the driver's side in black gold, still need a bonnet in black gold, but that's not the main focus for now, because they are all there and attached just about, so we don't need them too bad. But that's it really. Need to sell a few parts that I don't need anymore, like the fatty induction kit and stuff like that, to get any sort of funds towards the rest of the car would be decent. So that is it. That is the plan really. Like I said, I might do a sort of point of view video on me driving the 197 over the holidays and get some different external shots for once and spice it up a little bit. But other than that, we'll be back in here cleaning up the engine bay, just cleaning up the car in general, getting it ready for back on the road early next year, hopefully sort of April time, February, April time. where I want the manifolds done. I want to go up to Effie and get a remap, but I need to save. I have seen some Bromo 4-pot calipers on Facebook for sale that are too cheap. They are in yellow, but the yellow might go well. It might be yellow, black and red. So that may be a thing as well, but because it's so close to Christmas, I can't really commit just yet. But if they're still there after Christmas, I might have to jump on that, because they just look so sexy. And then obviously I need to get the machine down to go under the 15s, new discs, new brake lines, bleed the brakes, but it's going to make a cool video, so maybe, we'll see. But yeah, thank you very much for tuning in again. But yeah, next video is probably be a 197, and then we'll be back on the 182 for a little bit more. But yeah, if I don't catch you before, Merry Christmas, leave us a like, leave us some comments if you like, guys, and I will see you next time. Thank you.